Good morning, good morning, good morning. How y'all doing? It's early in the morning for me. This is Will from Say How You Feel. I am coming to you with this little video. I'm not in my normal setting, primarily because it's in the back and I'm just not going to do a long video. I just want to make sure I put something out for Say How You Feel Monday, which I have not done in a while. Getting back to it, I did a couple of videos, but I'm going to try to be more consistent, even if it's just doing a talking video. I have some videos on transfers and things like that I want to do. Side note, have you guys noticed those who use ProWorld? Uh, I went on their site the other day and noticed that they have shifted, though they're shifting all of the transfers, pre-designed transfers like this are now on sale, and it looks like they're not getting them back. It looks like they're kind of going to a different direction. I'm thinking that they're going into just strictly uh, doing custom work and selling tools, which is fine. The market is changing, definitely. Uh, People have gone into more of a getting screen prints, screen prints, and it's kind of the thing. Why house something that people are not buying from you guys? And I don't think that they're not buying them because I see on TikTok people selling transfers, but they're selling transfers of designs that are more trending today. And because of that, I think that is why they are shifting and getting out of the stock transfer business. And there's still other companies that you can go to. I use several different ones, and I think they're still thriving and whatnot. But I don't think that was a market. But they also sell. The other companies don't really sell equipment. Their main niche is doing transfers. Be it one company doesn't do. I don't think they do stock. I don't think they do custom transfers. They just do stock. I know a couple of them just do stock, and that's their main market. They're just hitting that and hammering that in. The other company does do custom, but they still do stock, and but transfers is what they do. They don't sell equipment. They don't sell, and I think that's what ProWorld is doing. And I know some people don't like them for whatever reason. That's their thing. I have bought two heat presses from ProWorld, and I love them both. I got to buy the platinums for the second one I got because it has interchangeable platinums. Uh, I will say this: I'm not known for getting in bed with these companies like that to have an issue with you. The customer service is great. The business model is great. I don't care about the rest. I don't, as far as me doing business, that's all it is business. I don't expect you to do anything more for me than you do for another customer. I'm not promoting you like that. This is not even promoting them on this. I'm just just in case people who do use them, they're having a great sale over there. Go check it out. I didn't get anything because uh, I'm getting more into making my own transfers and single color for right now, and then also later on getting multiple colors. But I'm really just whatever I have these types of transfers I'm gonna sell, get them off. However I get them off, and be done with that, and get into. But I'm still gonna do stock transfers on my Etsy page. That's pretty much what I like. I like to do stock transfers. I'm not really. I do custom work, and I don't mind doing custom work. And on my Etsy page, I do push custom work. I'm just really limited because I don't want to do your design. I just be honest with you. I don't want to do people's designs. Have your design when you come see me. Because you're not going to pay me to do your design, and then I don't want to go back and forth with you, and you're not going to add the extra fee, and you only want one T-shirt, but you want me to do your design. Like I'm doing, some people I do their design, some people I will. If it's something I've never done, great. But if it's just a T-shirt, nah, I'm okay with that. Like I'm doing a stole. I've never done a stole. Uh, so we're doing that. My wife is going to do that design. But also, I am My grandson and my wife just got up. It's really early in the morning. It's like 6 in the morning right now. So, but stuff like that. So that's not really what this video is about. But I thought about it when I realized what shirt I had on. So if they have not sold out, you have the opportunity to go to ProWorld site. They haven't sale like the transfer like 50 cents a piece. They running out. I'm sure because people are buying them. And 50 cent transfer, whatever your shirt costs, you under $10, I'm sure. You can sell it for 10 and make a nice little profit, just to be totally honest. You know what I'm saying? We have to be truthful about it. But I think they're just going to stick to doing custom transfers. I think they're going to do not only custom, but, yes, Spencer.
Dad, I want to bring make the eggs.
Okay, go help Granny make the eggs. As you notice in my videos, my grandson comes talking to me. I'm going to talk to him. It is what it is. But yeah, go over there, check them out. I think they just, going to shift how they do business. We'll see. I don't know. They might be trying to give it an old inventory to create new inventory during DTF. It might be we're going to just stick to DTF transfers. I don't know. So we'll find that out and we'll go from there. But what this video is about is those who do sell on Etsy. Be mindful of your pricing. Like, I sold a shirt. I didn't make anything from the shirt, which is fine. Because it was based off of an old model that I had a few years back. Shirts are more expensive now. And it was cool because the shirt that I had was from an old order that I did. So I paid old pricing for it. But I had to and I did not have to, but I did it just because. So I had to get a transfer. And it was a little more pricey than I normally pay. It was just a last minute thing, and my normal cat wasn't in town, and so whatever. But at the end of the day, because I used to try to get a roll, and so I needed a big gang sheet. I need a gang sheet and gang sheet pricing, but it's cool. So, but I'm going to go up on my Etsy prices because the end of the day, especially for those things that I don't have on hand. If I have to go get it printed, or if I have to print it off, so sometimes, I'll be honest with you, my old model, I was doing inkjet transfer, and people loved it, no complaints, none of that, because I have a good product, and I know how to lay it right, so it comes out, on point. So, but this particular design, I did not do that because of the design. I thought it would have been too heavy. And then I didn't want to use. I just felt like a better product would be DTF at the time. Would I done it differently? Probably so, just to be honest. But transfers like this, I probably won't go up on my price because I still have old transfers from old, And this is really old. This is, I want to say over a couple of years old, and I wear it all the time. And as you can see, it's still holding up. This is screen print is still away from me. But I just want to tell you, if you check your pricing, because a lot of us on Etsy are offering free shipping. It's not really free, it's just built into the price. And see, I didn't know what the shipping would be. Now that I know what shipping is going to pretty much cost, I'm going to add that into it and then price accordingly. So I just want to stop by and tell y'all, check your pricing. Selling on Etsy is not a bad thing. It helps you to get sales while you're trying to build the website up. I'm still working on my website. My website is actually active. I'm trying to figure out what designs I'm going to put up there. I have some up there already. I'm really tempted to put my screen printing transfers like this up there because of, I'm looking at it from a standpoint of I can put them up there and they sell, they go, and I might just do a section with stock transfers. You know what I'm saying? And where they can just go in there, boom, order what they want. Tag. No. My grandson being having 4-year-olds. So with that being said, y'all have a great day and keep saying how you feel. Peace.